Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a beautiful ship that is sailing in a certain ocean and also in the bright sunrise. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into the gloomy and haunted ship, and also it has the Halloween decoration, and also there are several ghosts over here. Isn't that cool and also creepy, right? How to create this picture? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use to create this picture was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use the another platform, don't worry, you can go with it. And here I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation, guys. And here in this Google AI Studio, you will see the home page. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, you can continue to click this try Nano Banana, and I will start to upload the picture. For example, this one. You can put your favorite picture of the ship. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section, and you can start to give this prompt the screenshot. And don't worry, because I will also share you this prompt into the description box. Basically, the prompt will be like this: a terrifying and spooky atmosphere. The same old sailing ship has transformed into the Halloween ghost ship. And also, tethered sails wave in the howling wind, adorned with the giant spiders. And also the creepy jack-o'-lanterns glows in the every corner, casting an ominous orange light. And the deck is filled by the foggy mist, and also faint ghost silhouette are seen dancing among the mist. And also the background sky is dark, and the storm is approaching, and also the lightning occasionally strikes in the distance. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result or the output over here. And actually this is the same prompt that I used before to create this picture, guys. However, I will be honest with you that you will have also another picture by using this same prompt, guys. And you can simply check it out, and if you feel like not really satisfied about the result, don't worry, you can continue to click rerun in this section or in this section and kindly wait for the another output. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.